One of the things that I think holds more men back than anything else from breaking free from their pornography addiction is a lack of self-belief or lack of confidence in their ability to actually achieve doing the things that are necessary to break the strongholds of this addiction. And I can understand why, because for many of us that are struggling, it isn't something that just came into our life a year ago. This has been a behavior, it's been a vice, it's been a struggle for many of us decades, and if not decades, close to a decade. Now, we've also told ourselves time and time again that once we're done and we had that feeling of disgust and shame and guilt about what we just participated and finished doing, that this is the last time I'm going to do it. And then before you know it, a few days goes by, maybe even not even one full day, and we find ourselves in exactly the same place. So when I hear a man say that he struggles with the confidence or the self-belief that he'll actually be able to break free, I can understand where those thoughts are coming from. But I want to give you a formula today. I want to give you the tools to build the self-confidence that is going to be necessary, not just to break free from this addiction, but once you break free, become the man that God has called you to be. Take on any challenge, pursue any endeavor, and build the life that you were put here to build. One that I spent the last 5 years talking about, your own superhuman life. So first, let's talk about what confidence is. Confidence is nothing more than the feeling or belief that one can rely on someone or something. It's firm trust. So when you say, I lack self-confidence, you're lacking belief in yourself. You're lacking trust that when I say I'm going to do something, it's going to get done. Now we're struggling with the confidence to break free from our addiction, but where else is low confidence showing up in our life? Because confidence isn't just a skill that some are born with and others don't have. Confidence is a trait, a developable skill set that once we embody it in one area of our life, it is transferable to any area of our life. If you're confident in quitting porn, you're confident in getting in shape, you're confident in building meaningful relationships, you're confident in making money, you're confident in solving problems. The skill in and of itself becomes transferable to any area of your life. That's why when you see the most confident people in the world, you ask yourself, what can't that person do? They built strong belief, firm trust in themselves, that they'd be willing to put in the work to do what is necessary. Now, yes, sometimes it may take longer periods of time to build the confidence up. But if you walk in integrity, if you follow through on doing the things that you say you're going to do, if one human being has done it, that means it can be done by you. So if we lack firm belief and trust within ourselves, that when we say something, it will get done. How do we develop that skill set? We call it stacking wins. We call it building momentum with how you start your day and how you end your day. If you can win those 2 periods of every single day, the ones that are in most control for you, then in time you build the confidence that, hey, when I say I'm going to do things, they're going to get done. Here's a couple questions to ask yourself right now. This morning, when you woke up, did you honor the commitment to what time you wanted to wake up? Or did you allow yourself to hit snooze? Did you literally start the day negotiating with a commitment that you made that I'm going to wake up at this specific time? Because if you can't keep that commitment, one that you set, how will you keep the bigger ones? How will you do what is necessary to not give in to the temptations? Did you follow through on your commitments to train hard and follow a meal plan? Or was it a long, exhausting day? And as you drove home on your way to the gym, you said, you know what, I plan on going today, but don't have the energy. My shoulder's a little cranky. I'll skip it tomorrow and I'll get it done first thing. I'll skip it today and I'll get it done first thing tomorrow. And because you've negotiated there, that healthy whole food meal of chicken and potatoes, steak and rice that you were planning on having for yourself gets thrown out the window and you find yourself in the McDonald's drive-thru. If we can't keep the commitments to do the things that we know are best for us every single day, then how will we keep the commitment of avoiding doing the things that we know are harmful and destructive to us? Did you follow through on the things that you told others you're going to get done? How many times do we tell people, yeah, I got you there. Yeah, I'll get that done. You can count on me. I'll pray for you, brother, because we know it makes them feel good. It's what they needed to hear in the moment. And they may not even know whether or not we follow through on it. But you know who does know? You know. You are spending every waking moment with yourself. And when you say something and you do not follow through on it, that is like taking a battering ram to your confidence. Did you clean up after yourself when you left a room or a specific environment? When you walk into the kitchen, are you reminded by the stack of dishes that are hovering over the sink that, hey, Frank, you don't really care about yourself, man. You don't really care about creating standards within your environments. You told your wife you're going to take the trash out. Did it get done? You said you're going to clean the garage. Did it get done? When you told your children that you'll take them to the park, that you'll take them outside, did it get done? There, not only are you letting yourself down, but you're letting others down. Did you follow through and execute them on the daily tasks that are needed to move your business, to move your career, to move your financial house forward? I know a lot of you listening right now are doing exceptionally well financially. And I know many of you are struggling. But do you wallow in the pity of the struggle and allow that to be the battering ram to your confidence? Where you say, hey, no matter what's happening right now in the world, I'm going to go out and I'm going to take stake of what is mine. Confidence is a formula, brother. It literally is a mathematical equation of you saying, I'm going to do things, doing those things, recognizing that you did the things that you said you're going to do. And then the end product becomes unbreakable self-confidence. And if you can start building confidence in the little areas of your life, what time you wake up, how you take care of yourself, how you treat your body, how you organize your environments, how you take action on the things that are necessary in your life, those little areas begin to compound up. And then life's bigger challenges, quitting porn, launching a business, getting married, raising a family, you begin to build the confidence in those. But if you're not checking the little boxes right now, stop trying to fill the hole of the big box. Confidence is a mathematical equation, man. And it's all within your control and it's all within your power. Maybe you're struggling right now and you don't have the tools necessary that you feel you need to quit porn and break free from this addiction. Once you've gotten confidence built within your life, the next thing you're going to need is you're going to need a process. You're going to need a proven plan for recovery. And that's why I want to invite you into our Reboot Your Life program. Guys, we have 800 plus men now participate and succeed in going through this curriculum. And it's at its lowest price it's ever been in the last 4 years. $99 for the proven formula to get exactly what you need to overcome this addiction, to become the man that you need to be. Click the link down there in the show notes or visit rebuiltrecovery.com/no brainer. If you don't know what to do, you'll never be able to get those things done. So we gave you the tools here today to build the confidence. Now we're going to give you the roadmap to break free from this addiction. Click the link down there in the show notes, rebuiltrecovery.com/no brainer. But your host, Coach Frank Rich here. If you're watching on YouTube, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're listening on the audio, guys, take a moment here today and leave a 5-star rating and written review. But Coach Frank Rich, Rebuilt, man, we love you guys. We'll see you in the next one.